Hi everyone, thanks for watching on my YouTube channel. I'm Thomas Eccel and I'm talking today about the new Pmax brand guidelines that have been spotted by Dario Zannoni. And I'm going to show you how this looks like in your Google Ads account. So once you enter your Pmax campaign settings under automated created assets, you can see the new brand guideline section. And there you can add your business name, the one that should be shown below your Google Ads, your logo. You can customize colors. You can put like the main color type and also the accent color and the font. You can really select fonts that are brand safety for you. And yeah, here is like a whole post about it. And the cool thing is Google added like a new Google Ads support page where you can read a lot about this new beta. And important to know is you can only see this if you're using the Google Ads interface in English, in language English. And obviously if you have a Pmax campaign set up. Here you can also read how it really works and how to access brand guidelines and pre-filled values and optional values. It's really a nice update, a positive update. We have been seeing quite positive updates lately, so I hope that's really the line that Google is going in the future or in the short future. Because yeah, we have been waiting a lot for positive updates, especially for Pmax campaigns. So thanks a lot. Subscribe to the channel and see you next time.